What is up, y'all? It's the Eric V, your stream teacher, and today we are going to talk about why I will never stream in 1080p 60 FPS until I become a Twitch partner, and why you shouldn't either. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. We aren't going to do a whole lot of wasting time. So today we are talking about transcoding. Classes in session. So here's what Twitch says about transcoding. Partners always have the highest priority on video quality options for their channels. Video quality options allow viewers to adjust the quality of their viewing of the stream for the best possible experience. Non-partner channels can use transcoding if there's enough align capacity, but partners are guaranteed to use transcoding for all distributions. Basically what this means is if you are not a partner, you want to guarantee as many people can watch your stream in the highest quality possible. For me, I prefer to stream in 720/60 because I play pretty fast-paced games. If you don't, maybe if you're just doing chatting streams or maybe arts and crafts, cooking, fitness, I would suggest maybe a 720/30 and make sure your bitrate matches. I will put a chart on the screen for reference now. So because you want to cast as wide a net as possible, you want to make sure if people are traveling, if they're on mobile, if their connection just isn't all that amazing, you want to make sure that people are able and have the ability to give you a chance and see your greatness. Because if their stream is lagging, they're just going to go watch someone else. And again, every time they click on a partner, it's going to work because they're going to have transcoding every time. So if you're actually trying to get viewership or just trying to get people talking in your chat, you have to have an option for them to actually be able to see your stream. It makes very simple sense, but I feel like it was worth making a video about. I've discussed this with people a lot. They talk about, you know, why I want to stream in 1080/60. I want to have the best quality out there. When if people can't see you at all, then that's the worst quality. You're doing yourself a disservice. So I suggest 720/60 or 720/30, or you can play around with the 900s, but always ask your viewers how their viewer experience is going. And if it's lagging for anybody, if you get a few people saying that it's lagging, maybe your bit rate is too high, maybe your resolution is too high, maybe your frame rate is too high. But it sounds like there might be something that you need to adjust on your end if you have multiple people saying the same thing. So let me show you what I mean. We're going to look at a channel that is a partner that has transcoding, because it is a partner channel, which is right here, Barefoot Tasha. And we're going to look at an affiliate channel that happens to have transcoding tonight. And we're going to look at an affiliate channel that does not have transcoding tonight. So because I'm in Tasha's channel and she is a partner, we have all the quality options we need. So whether I'm on a bus, a train, in the park, it can go down as low as 160p to make sure that I'm able to continue to watch that stream, even if my connection is terrible, because I really want to be in there. I'm going to watch it on 160p. That's the type of loyalty that Twitch knows that her audience has, because she's a partner. So once we go to Dead End Gaming, you may know me from it. We see that it is in 360p right now. And they are not streaming in 360p, but they have the option because they have transcoding. My computer thought it would be best that I start the stream in 360p, maybe because I just switched from a 1080p stream. But we see we have quality options here. We have 720/60, 480, 360, 160. So anybody in the audience, again, who might not have the greatest connection right now, they're able to watch. They don't have to put it on audio only. They can watch, they can enjoy the stream. And lastly, we have Chocolate City Sim, who is also an affiliate like the Dead End Gaming channel, and it's freezing for me, but she doesn't have any quality options because tonight the cards just weren't in her favor. Twitch did not choose her to have the transcoding options, which I don't know why. She's a great streamer, but you know, it's just the luck of the draw when it comes to affiliates, and they're more often able to get it, but sometimes they don't, and you will never know that you don't have those transcoding options until you go live and see if you have those options in another window. And you can keep refreshing and trying and starting your stream over and over again, but I opt not to do that because you're gonna lose a lot of people's notifications that way, in my opinion. But always keep that in mind. Always consider your viewers, consider the ones who are out and about on the move, or the ones who might just live in Kentucky, whose connections aren't the greatest. And see, I'm here lagging because Twitch can't auto downscale because they didn't give her any encoding tonight. And this isn't even 720/60. This is just 720p. So keep that in mind. And I have fiber. So yeah, don't stream into 1080/60 until you're a partner. I hope that I've convinced you. I am hoping for all of us to succeed, and that's what this video and this channel is about. If you have any further questions about transcoding, feel free to refer to any of the links in the description, or you can ask me a question via a comment in my Discord, on Twitter, on my Twitch streams every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and old school Saturday. And with that being said, class dismissed. Woo! Standing there like, which one of y'all? Yeah, I was gonna smack one of your asses.